in the bikini or string of pearls? String of pearls.
In the mood.
Oh, it's in the mood. There's something different.
Just fine.
I don't know. Look at those legs, Mom. Which one is broken? Which is the broken one? Golly. Well, this is really good therapy. I love this part. Uh-huh. Must be in the mood because I'm feeling just fine. I love it. I love it. Well, hey, I think you're healed already. I could go home. Your hey leg, you're gonna hurt tonight. Don't do too much. Huh? Well, you're doing it.
It's not hard with this.
This one's a little harder, huh? Yeah? You like it too? We'll make you a coffee so you can take it home, okay? I'll make you one. I'm going to make me one with pictures of you too so you can have them.
I used to know a lot of the words. Must be in the mood because you're fine.
Yeah? That was really cool.